Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix blurry camera or blur camera issue on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end. By the end of this video you'll be able to solve your blurry camera issue problem. So there are three main things that cause your camera to blur and you're not able to focus properly while shooting and while taking pictures. The first and the most important thing is that the lens of your iPhone, the back camera lens, may have moisture or dust particles on it, and you'll have to clean them gently by swiping, and you may use a spray or liquid cleaner, but make sure that you don't use any product that may cause scratches or damage your lens. You'll have to wipe gently. The second thing you'll have to do is to check if you have any of the third-party camera applications on your iPhone that ask you that they'll be able to create cinematic videos or something like that. You'll have to delete all the applications, and if you want to delete any one of them, you can simply tap and hold on an application and then hit remove app and then hit delete app. Now, those applications cause your camera to blur and you're not able to focus properly. And the third thing you'll have to do is to restart your iPhone, and you can do it simply by pressing the power up button and power down button, and then you'll be able to restart or your iPhone. And the last thing you can check is the iPhone camera settings by heading over to the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find camera, and then tap on camera and make sure that you have selected all of these settings. Smart HDR is turned on, and you can also check the formats to most compatible. Make sure that this option is checked, and that's how you can easily fix the blur camera issue on your iPhone. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.